Our homeowner, Megan, is working with our designer, also a Megan, on picking tiles for several rooms in the house, and that starts today at our tile showroom. Megan, nice to see you guys.
Good to see you.
So which room are we starting with? Because we've got several to deal with today, right?
Yeah, absolutely. We are going to start with the upstairs kids' bathroom. There are a couple of them. This is one of many bathrooms.
All right, so upstairs bathroom. Gotcha. So what are we starting with? We starting color? We starting materials? Where do you want to start?
Yeah, so I think really I'd love to start with the focal point of the bathroom, which is this really fun hex pattern faux marble.
And gonna go on walls or floors?
It's going on the floor.
On the floor,
Big
okay.
statement right when you walk in.
A couple different colors, little mosaic right there. You say faux marble?
It's a faux marble, so keeps the price point down, but we get the look of all the luxury.
And so what do you think of it, Megan?
I love it.
Done.
Easy.
Put it in a shopping cart. What do you love about it?
You know, I think the design, the shape is cool. I love that it's hex. It's a little different.
Yeah.
I'm a sucker for blue. This probably could tell. So I love that it brings in some blues, but it's still really natural and soft.
And I presume this is on a matrix, so it's not individual pieces going down?
Correct. Mosaic on a mesh sheet, so they just lay it down by the square
Beautiful.
foot.
Okay, well that's a strong start right there if that's the floor. Walls right here?
Yeah, so we picked out a hand-glazed subway-style tile, really to take a back seat to that, you know, real fun floor pattern.
Material?
It has a waterfall edge. That's part of the hand glazing. So as it falls under the machine and the person glazing it, you'll get this nice glazed edge here.
Right.
Makes a clean cut and a finished edge.
So not flat, so imperfections here. I guess that's the design, which means that each one is going to be different. There's going to be some imperfections, some variations in it right there.
Exactly.
You can see them as you kind of twist it in the light.
Exactly. Gives it a handmade appeal.
A subtle look on the front, Megan, but as you put them together and you create a field, you're going to notice all of that.
Yeah.
It's not just going to be a flat subway.
Yeah, I like it. It adds a little texture, but still keeps it pretty simple.
Yeah. Kind of a nice play on the traditional subway tile when you make it the oversized. Okay, and then I presume you're looking at sort of wall colors, trim color in this neighborhood right here.
Exactly. So the white is our vanity swatch. We've got polished nickel as an accent in the room. And we're going to shiplap the bathroom.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, vertical shiplap. So we'd love to show that off with a nice deep blue.
Oh, so the tile is for the wet walls around the shower and bath, and this is for the rest of the walls.
Yes.
And shiplap, but not the traditional white. Pop of color, your idea?
Megan's idea, but I love it.
No, she's on board with that one as well. Okay, that sounds like that's one or possibly 2 or 3 bathroom decisions made right there.
Yeah,
Is that right?
yeah.
Let's move on. What's the next one that we're looking at? Let me clear these out of here for you. What have you got there?
So next is the laundry room.
All right.
The most fun room in the house. A very utilitarian room, but we are trying to make it feel a bit more special. Something you want to walk into and like going to do that laundry. Yeah.
You love our wallpaper.
Listen, it's not my house. You have to love your wallpaper.
I do.
Do you?
I do.
You sure? I mean, yes.
Well, if we want to take it down, I'll ask you to come take it down.
No. What are the thoughts? Just a pop of...
Yeah, I think it's a pop. It's a little fun. A pop in a room that, you know, there's not much light in there, just one skylight. It's a small room.
Yeah.
Laundry is not the most fun thing to do, so why not make it a little more exciting to be in there?
Yeah, well, listen, it's your house, and I don't spend any time in the laundry room anyway, so, all right. Yeah, that's fun. I just have a thing against wallpaper, so I get it.
So down in the basement, we have a nice bathroom.
Basement, bathroom, and some... Wait, there's a rumor going around, Megan, that you want to tile this bathroom yourself.
Yes.
Is that right?
My
Really?
husband and I want to tile the basement bathroom ourselves.
Good heavens, good
I
for you.
know. I hope our marriage makes it through.
That's all right, though. That's great, you know, throw it in. We'll see how that goes. What's the material?
So that's another porcelain faux marble.
Oh, okay. So materials porcelain made to look like marble.
You know, hopefully this makes her marriage last. So, you know, she's cutting into porcelain and not real marble.
Right. In terms of cost, the real versus the faux, 1x, 2x?
5x.
Oh, 5x. Big difference.
Yeah, big difference.
Yes, yeah.
Oh, you can cut this all day long.
yeah,
right?
exactly.
You mess up on one of these, you got 5 tries.
Yeah.
That's a pretty good idea.
We'll
right
need
there.
it.
Well, listen, you're in good hands. You're in a great place to make the decisions easier. You're making decisions, and you're willing to throw in and get your hands dirty. So, congrats to you. Nice job. All right, thank you, Megans.
Thanks,
Thank
Kevin.
you. Appreciate it.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.